What's up, Sharks? Papa Shark here. Let's see what's on the menu today. Today, guys, I got something special for you. We caught the bear slacking with this beautiful failure over here. All right, let's get into this trade. Okay, guys, we got this beautiful failure here. We got this W, okay? Now we're gonna wait here to see if we can get lower lows or higher lows. If we get higher lows, then we're gonna wait for this to come back over the EMA, and we're gonna wait for it to see if we get another higher low, a failure right here. If we get a failure right here on the EMA and it does a higher low, we're gonna get in on this high over here. Let's just wait and see what happens, okay, guys? So remember, we have a W pattern forming over here. Okay, if this goes lower, then this might sell and go back down to this trend line down here, this trend channel. But if not, this is going to keep going higher. So we just got to wait over here and see what happens. All right, guys, moving average. So okay, they're buying. All right, let's get this around the EMA and let's get another higher low so we can confirm the entry point. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get my order ready. I'm going to buy. Okay, I'm going to buy for the limit up here.
Order submitted.
I'm going to drag this way, and I'm going to get this down here. I'm going to get it ready, okay? We're not going in yet, but this is how I'm getting it ready. I just have it ready so when it shows the opportunity to get in at a certain point, we're going to get in, guys. All right, Sharks, let's get ready to eat these bears up today. All right? It depends on the market. If the market's bearish, then we're bears. If the market's bullish, then we're bullish. That's how we do. That's how we roll. We make money either way. That's why we're sharks. We're smelling blood. We're smelling blood from these bears. They can't hold it. They can't hold it. Oh no. They can't hold it. Huh, Nate? They can't hold this, huh, Nate?
Nope.
All right, guys. Oh, perfect. Okay, our entry point is going to be right here. Nate, get ready. 395275.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. Everybody out there, this is my business partner, Nate, and we trade together.
Hey, y'all.
Let's get it. All right, guys. That's a failure. You see that, Nate? That's a failure. So the bears are failing. So they come here with this W.
Order filled.
And higher low. And now they come here and fail. Higher lows. They're failing right here in the EMA. So we're in on this trade. All right. Our stop is good. Maybe I'll put it a couple of points down here just to keep it safe from these institutions trying to stop people out. You just want to have the stop, guys, is made for you guys to just protect your account. Okay, so you don't blow up your account. It's there for protection. But you can't have your stop all the way up here because what's going to happen is they come down below it, stop you out, and then keep going the right way. So we keep our stop a little bit lower from the previous lows. All right, our runner is going to be up here. Our limit is going to be here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 points. So we'll keep it at this high over here. That's where I'll keep our first contract. It's basically like the 1-to-1, just a little bit less, or around that same height to that stop. So we're just ready. Let's get our first contract. Once we get our first contract out, guys, we're gonna move our stop to the point of entry. So once we make money,
Target filled.
we got our first target filled. We're moving our stop up to the point of entry, guys. Point of entry. Okay, let's get it up there. There we go. I can get it maybe a tick above it. There we go. All right, guys. We just made money on our first two contracts, which is our target. First target has 2 contracts. Then we have 2 contracts left, which are 2 targets, which we have 1 contract here, 1 contract here. That first target it took out was 2 contracts. So we're already up on the day. We're positive on this trade. If this were to come down and hit my stop, it's guaranteed already. I already made money, so I'll pull my stop to the point of entry just to protect my trade that I've already winning on. All right, guys. Let's see what happens here. So I have my runner. The reason why I have my runner all the way up here, guys, is because I want to make as much money as I can with the runner. That's just the runners for extra money. My first 2 contracts are the most important. Once I have that out, I can breathe, I can relax, and I can say, listen, I made money, now I have my stop at the point of entry. Now the second target is another one that I do want to get. Of course, who doesn't? You want to get that second contract, but it doesn't really matter right now. So on these last two contracts, I'm up $625 or so. So we're just waiting for it to just go ahead and hit that second target. Let's get this. All right, guys, I might forward the video a bit so you guys can see this trade a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. Sometimes it might take longer than others because the trades might be a little bit slower, but I'll go ahead and skip a little bit forward in this video, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. We're about to get our second contract hit. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to pull my stop up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to trail a little bit.
Target filled.
Okay, it did fill my second target, which is perfect. So I'm moving my stop up. So this is my point of entry, guys, right here. So as long as let me show you guys real quick. So this right here, guys, is my point of, this is where my stop is right now. But my point of entry where I entered the market was right here. So anywhere above this point of entry, let me show you guys. Anywhere above this point of entry, okay, is extra money that I will be making. If this were to come back and stop me, it'll just be extra money, a little bit more guaranteed money, so that to protect more, to just get a little bit more out of this trade, right? If it does come back to stop me out and it decides to go the other way, that's what that is, guys. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to just trail the stop. So every time there's a swing back, right? There's a swing back. So this might come back and swing down here. If the next swing is here, my stop will be under that swing. While it goes up, it makes higher highs, and then it comes to another swing, then my stop would be here, and then, you know, and so on and so forth. You guys get the message there. So let's get this. All right, sharks, let's make more money. So it says less money here because, of course, we already gotten 3 contracts out. So this money that you see on the screen right now is about 460 to about 500 that's showing on the screen, is because this is only the amount of money that I've made from my point of entry, which is right here. This is my point of entry. Okay, so all this money that you see here is basically from my point of entry all the way to where it is right now, which is right around here. So that's the money I've made, $450 just on this one contract right here. Just on this one contract, I'm up $475 right now. So that's all that is. And this is why I put my stop up, so that just in case it does want to come back down and stop me out, it'll stop out whatever money is from here to here. That's basically what it is. I'm just trailing my stop up. All right, guys, let's see what else we can get out of this trade. So is this a pullback or is it not? Is it a deep pullback? I'm gonna move my stop up just a bit more, guarantee a little bit more money on this trade. All right, guys, I'll go ahead and skip the video forward to about where we're close to that last runner. If we do get the runner, or if it's about to stop us out, I'll go ahead and skip it forward to that point. All right, guys, we are back. So look at here. We have a swing right here. Swing low, meaning so it comes up and it makes a new swing low, a higher low, which is right here. So this is where we're gonna move our stop now, guys. So Nate, we're moving our stop up to the new swing low, which was at 3958.25. Okay, guys, so this is the new swing low. Our stop comes up to here. All we're doing here, guys, is we're just guaranteeing more money. We're just guaranteeing more money. All right, I'm gonna have my runner. So this trade is not so long. I think I'll have my runner at 3968.25. All right, guys, on just this one contract, guys, we're up $650. Okay, guys, $650. Now, that's with one contract. So with one contract in futures, you guys can trade with only $500. And if you had this, let's say this one trade, and you want your point of entry, and you're just trailing your stop after that, after it reaches certain heights, you can do that as well with one contract. You don't have to be spending money on 4 contracts. If you don't have enough money, you guys can just use $500 and go ahead and trade one contract. And look, out of this one contract, that's been what, like 15 minutes. You're making what? Right here, I'm up $675. By the time this trade ends, I'll probably be up $700 on this one trade. So let's see what happens. So this might make a new swing low here, and if it does, we'll be moving up our stop, guys. Or does it hit our target now? Let's see. We'll put this target even there. Okay. Let's see what happens. We're close to it. Oof, we're about 2 ticks off of that target. Oof, we're right there. Okay, we're close. We're close. We're close. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Come on, make this swing low, and let's get that target out already. See where this is going to end up going. All right, guys, we're right there. It's just a tick off. It's a tick off from hitting our target. Come on, let's go, bull. Let's go. Let's go, sharks. Let's eat. Let's eat up these bears. Come on, let's make some money. Come on. We just needed that one more tick. It bounced right off of that. I am going to pull up my stop a little bit higher so we can make, confirm a little bit more money just in case. Right there, we're a tick away. Come on. Or 2 ticks if you want to be exact. We're 2 ticks. Come on.
Target filled.
Let's go. Nate, you got on there, right?
Yep.
Let's go. Let's see how much money we made. All right, guys, check this out. Check this out. This is exactly what we made on this trade, which was not even about 15 minutes around there. I'm not exactly sure of the time, but this is what we made. $1,725, Nate. Nate, you made the same money. You did the same trade I did.
Exactly.
Nice. Let's go. All right, Sharks. That's gonna be the end of this trade, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys were entertained. I hope you guys had a little education. We do this all day, every day. We're basically trading from 8 in the morning all the way to about 11. That's the time that I like trading. The market tends to slow down around 11, 12 o'clock, so I really don't trade after that. But guys, that was beautiful. So let's go back on what we did here, guys. So basically, we had this beautiful W, okay? It comes down, gets back up, all right? Comes down again, and it fails, right? We got higher lows. That's just showing you that the bears are not holding their grounds, right? The bulls are actually winning this. It's just showing you the higher lows. It comes back up over the EMA, giving us our entry point, making another higher low, showing you that the market's ready to start blowing up. So we enter here above this wick high right here, which is the failure, and it just blasts, right? And it blasts and blasts and blasts, and we got all our targets hit. Sometimes we get our targets hit, all of them. Sometimes we get our first or second target hit in this market, and then it stops us out. But that's fine. We make money either way. You just guys have to trade smart and be wise while you're trading, so that we can go ahead and make this money. All right, Sharks. So great video for today, Sharks. I hope you guys were entertained. Go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and put on the notifications so you can get notified every time we do upload a video. Go ahead and head to our shorts so you can see the shorter versions of these trades.